Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. In today's class, we are going to discuss the chapter Live in Harmony. This is chapter number 11 of class 5 Social Science. The topics that we are going to discuss in today's class are pollution, types of pollution, causes of pollution, and how to protect our environment. So let us start. Pollution. Pollution is the contamination of our environment by waste, chemicals, and other harmful substances. It is the addition of unwanted substances in the environment that damages the earth. There are various types of pollution. They are water pollution, land pollution, air pollution, and noise pollution. Let us discuss each one of them one by one. First is water pollution. Water pollution occurs when water bodies are contaminated with harmful chemicals and other substances. There are several causes of water pollution, like oil spills. Often oil tankers leak oil while they are transporting it, and therefore it contaminates the water. Second is washing of utensils and clothes in ponds, lakes, and rivers, causing water pollution. Thirdly, natural factors like storms can also pollute water by mixing soil and dust particles with it. These are some of the causes of water pollution. Impact of water pollution. Water pollution can lead to several diseases like dysentery, typhoid, jaundice, cholera, and gastroenteritis. These are some of the diseases that may be caused due to water pollution. Again, it can also endanger marine plants and animals. Once polluted, water cannot be used for the purpose of cooking and drinking. So these are some of the impacts of water pollution. Land pollution. Land pollution refers to the degradation of the natural properties of land due to various human activities and waste. Causes of land pollution. The first cause of land pollution is excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides contaminates the water and the soil. The farmers are illiterate and do not understand the importance of precautions that is to be taken while spraying pesticides, and this severely damages the fertility of the land. Next is improper garbage disposal in cities. Improper garbage disposal in cities leads to a lot of land pollution. Third is excessive usage of plastic bags. Excessive usage of plastic bags or garbage bags chokes the land. These are non-biodegradable and therefore it takes thousands of years to degrade. That is why nowadays plastic bags are being replaced by paper bags. Last is improper release of industrial waste. When industrial wastes are improperly discharged, then it causes land pollution. These are some of the causes of land pollution. Impact of land pollution. Polluted soil leads to a loss of fertility of land for agriculture. Excessive usage of chemical fertilizers and pesticides severely damages the fertility of the land. Next is, it causes destruction of ecosystem and habitat. There has emerged an imbalance in the ecosystem due to land pollution, and thereby it is affecting the habitat. Effects on human health. Land pollution can lead to the formation of breeding grounds for rodents, flies, and mosquitoes. These pollute the environment even further causing dangerous diseases like malaria, dengue and plague. So these are some of the impacts or the effects of land pollution. Air pollution. When unwanted chemicals, gases and smoke enters the atmosphere leading to the contamination of air, it is called air pollution. Causes of air pollution. First is use of fuel. The major cause of air pollution is the use of fuel in homes, factories and vehicles. This releases gases such as carbon dioxide, sulfur oxide and carbon monoxide in the air. Next is release of poisonous gases from factories. Poisonous chemicals are released through the smoke that comes out from various factories. Third is burning of firecrackers. For burning of firecracker also causes air pollution. And the last is natural causes like forest fire, sandstorms and volcanic eruption also causes air pollution. Impact of air pollution. The first is it leads to various skin, eyes and lung diseases. The impurities in the air lead to an increase in asthma and other bronchial problems. It can also lead to irritation in eyes, headache, skin allergies and even it can damage the lungs. Acid rain. Acid rain can also damage water, soil and forest and it also has a bad impact on human health. Smog. The after effect of air pollution is smog. Smog is a combination of smoke and fog and it leads to asthma. Last and one of the most burning problem in today's world is global warming. The polluted air increases the level of carbon dioxide in the air resulting in global warming and it is changing the climate very rapidly. So these are some of the impacts of air pollution. Noise pollution. Noise pollution occurs when harmful and irritating sound disturbs the regular activities of animals and humans. Causes of noise pollution. Vehicles blowing their horns and running trains can lead to noise pollution. Second is loud music can also be regarded as a source of noise pollution. What are the effects of noise pollution? The first is that it can lead to people losing their sense of hearing. Number 2, it can have a bad effect on the heart and blood pressure. Number 3, insomnia or loss of sleep also can happen due to noise pollution. Number 4, it can also lead to stress. So these are some of the effects of noise pollution. So we have discussed about the different types of pollution and we have also discussed about the causes and its effects. Now what can be done in order to protect our environment and why we should stress on protecting the environment? The most important reason why we should protect the environment is that we depend on it for our survival. Just imagine if all the plants are destroyed in a region. What will happen? All the different life forms that depend on trees will perish and they will have to migrate. It has been seen that cutting down of forests had led to the extinction of many animals and birds. And it is damaging the environment, so it is necessary to protect the environment. Now, how can we protect our environment? Our environment can be protected by planting more and more trees. We can also focus on the 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. Recycling is the process whereby waste materials are processed to create new products. For example, the metallic cans, paper, this can be processed to create new products. We also use a lot of things that cannot be used more than once. And when we dispose them, a significant amount of waste is generated. This can be prevented by using things that can be used time and again. This is called the principle of reuse and reduce. Thus, we should focus on the 3 R's, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Thirdly, create awareness. Awareness should be created among the people regarding environmental degradation, the problems of environmental degradation and why we should protect our environment. Therefore, if we work together to protect our environment, then definitely we will be successful. So, what we have studied in today's class is pollution, types of pollution, that is water pollution, its causes and effects, land pollution, its causes and effects, air pollution, its causes and effects, noise pollution, its causes and effects. We have also studied about the importance of protecting our environment and also the ways in which we can save our environment. So that's it for today. I hope you have understood the chapter. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have got any suggestions, then you can write in the comment box and I'll come up with a fresh topic in my next video. Till then, thanks for watching and goodbye.